What is up, you guys? I just wanted to show off a cool little tool that I built custom for myself. So basically this is the desk mailbot. So essentially I had a massive stack of mail. I didn't open my physical mail for over a year because I hate it and I don't even think it should exist anymore. It's snail mail for a reason. And so I was like, why don't I just have VS Code or Klein or my agent, whatever, vibe code me a continuity camera from my iPhone so that I can just have it on the edge of my desk and I can just open up mail, rip it fast, hold up the piece of mail, hit the spacebar on my computer, and it'll just be like loading into a spreadsheet in the background. And I think I've achieved it. So I'm gonna do a little learning things in reverse, you know? Python deskmailvision.py. Okay, here we go. It's using my desktop camera right now, but that's fine for the demo. There is a way to start it on continuity, but we're gonna just go ahead and show you. So, boom. I'm just ripping through it. No one wants to actually read mail anymore, right? Screw that. So I'm gonna just hold it up. The new OCR on Gemini is extremely powerful. It doesn't even need to be fully in focus. Hit the space bar. Boom.
Page 1 captured.
Oh, it makes an announcement for me. I don't know if you could hear it, but I swear, for some reason before it had announcements about everything I scanned too, so that I could kind of like verify in the background. So like while things are being loaded into the spreadsheet for me, I could just I can audibly hear what's going on.
Page 1 captured. 1. Bank of America 2. Credit card statement past due notice 3. 71.00. 865.40.
Boom. And then I move on to the next thing. Boom. Then I move on to the next thing.
Page 2 captured. 1. Schools First FCU 2. Letter. Ready 4. Loan ID 05.
Boom.
Page 3 captured. 1. AAA. Automo 253 7699. March 31st, 2025.
Boom.
Page 4 captured. 1. Transworld System.
And then I even coded in a toggle so you can press M to mirror in case you can't get used to the camera facing the wrong way, and then N to end it. So you'll notice down here, processing document with Gemini Vision. It'll close up the camera for
Letter from Bank of America needs pay with amount 171.10.
Ooh. Well, at least you know I'm being real with you guys. Cool. Documents processed and logged. And now I'm going to go check and make sure. Desk mailbot, mail data, mail log. And we got some errors at the top, and that's okay. We could just jump back into, we could take a screenshot, let the agent know. I'm noticing some errors at the top. Can we assess? Boom. And I'll get right back to you guys. Cool. So while Klein writes us a script to clean up the for us, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys kind of the structure of the project, even though I don't really fully understand it because I'm still kind of learning in reverse. I'm vibe coding and I'm prompt engineering. I'm the prompt engineer because now I'm actually engineering things with prompts. So I'm officially the prompt engineer now. I'm no longer the AI guy. I'm not just an enthusiast. I'm an executor. I'm a builder. Sorry. Cool. So it even wrote us a README file for anyone else jumping in here. But this application allows you to point your webcam at physical mail, press space, capture the image, process the mail using your preferred method, OCR Gemini text analysis. You could probably switch it out, but I've built it on Gemini because that's the best model that's doing OCR right now, and just image analysis in general. And then I'm going to throw this on GitHub so anyone else can use it too. It's for Mac. If you have, I don't know how many people have a huge stack of physical mail, or you could think of another purpose for this same exact project. I'm sure there's a million other things that people need to like sit there all day and open mail and type into a computer. This will literally automate it all for you, where it's just you hold up the piece of mail, hit the space bar, and it's all kind of taken care of for you. When it's processing all of your different data that's on the mail that you're opening, you go back into the console. Let's see here, save image to mail data, and then we're going to check the images, the mail data images. Boom, it's got everything. So if I did want to go back through and be like, okay, let's just triple check against the spreadsheet like exactly what's on each image, you can. Or if you don't trust Gemini or you didn't listen to what the announcements the computer was making after each piece of mail and just glancing at it and you were just like that lazy, you could probably throw it all back through Gemini at the end because you have this folder here with all of the images of everything you scanned. Let's see what it's doing. So it's going to run a cleanup script. Let's run that. Loaded mail log with 2 entries, found 1 unique document ID. Mail log cleanup. Cool. I'm going to look back at the spreadsheet. Okay, that's cool. Huh! So it literally just made a script that deleted everything except for an error. But it was smart enough to make a backup without me even asking. So it's... Thank you, computer. Let's see what's going on. So it noticed that it made the error. And now it's creating a simpler approach in correcting its own error. Cool. So I'll get back to you guys after I vibe code out some bugs right now. And then I'll update you guys when this is complete. Cool. So check it out. It took the messy error logs and duplicate spreadsheet and it cleaned it up into a simple, cleaned up, nice spreadsheet for us with our Gemini visual descriptions of everything and the amounts, if it's a pay, what's going on. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you one more time how it works. So you start it up, boom. We're gonna use our desktop one for right now since we're showing y'all. Cool, here we go. Just get it generally flat, boom. Damn, it's kind of blurry.
Page 1 captured. 1. Discover 2.
Let's just use that one for right now as an example. We're gonna hit N. Yep. And then escape.
Letter from Discover needs pay with amount 70 point.
Boom, there it is. Cool, so this is my first tool that works, you guys. How cool is this? It's a mail scanner, and it's literally purely created out of my own need for this tool, and it was really useful. So cheers to you guys. Enjoy. In case you need to scan anything visually, hold it up. Boom, it's built on Mac, and it can be connected to your phone if your phone has continuity cam.